Last year, Dan Paris introduced you to ClearShield security systems. He got to fire a cannon at one. He even got to hit one with a hammer to see if they'd bend, and they didn't. Well, this year the guys have decided to up the ante, and they've got a professional testing company involved who I'm told have a bigger cannon. Craig, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Now, what is it that a Zuma Design does?
Zuma Design is an independent testing facility for the Australian window and door industry. We test windows and doors for their physical attributes.
Now, we're heading out to your Canning Vale laboratory. Will the ClearShield security system hold up? Well, you're going to have to come with me and find out. Steve, how are you?
Very well, Aaron. You?
Oh, mate, I'm excited. I've just spoken to Craig. We're here at the Zuma laboratories. I can see the big cannon, which I want to fire, I've got to tell you.
Right.
But for the people at home that don't know what ClearShield is, what is it?
Well, it's a security product. If you want to protect your family in your home, you need to buy, firstly, steel, stainless steel. Other products do not cut it, Aaron, not at all.
Now, this product, you can see it's smooth, it looks great, it feels great. It definitely feels like it's going to add a level of security to your house. Now, if this wasn't already ClearShield's toughest product, you actually have a tougher product from ClearShield.
We call it Extreme. Bit of fun. But what we did is, our Australian Design Award-winning Cyclone product has 1.5 steel in it. And one of my guys in the factory said, why can't we give that to Mr. and Mrs. Smith?
Okay.
I said, I don't know. So we researched, we did it.
Let me
there
look
it
at
is.
it.
Have a look at the difference.
You know me, I don't want to just be told they're great. I want to see it's great. Let's go fire the cannon.
Let's do it. Come on.
I can't wait. Jamie, how are you?
G'day, Aaron. How are you?
Oh, I'm excited. I'm one step closer to seeing the big cannon going off. Now, what is the test we're about to see?
Okay, we're going to subject our domestic-grade ClearShield product, okay, to a test that's used for cyclonic debris, roughly about 400 joules of impact.
All that's left is to push the button. Let's
Yep,
go.
that's it, mate.
I'm excited,
Let's
I've got to
go.
tell you.
3, 2, 1, fire.
Wow, didn't really do much at all,
What
did
do you
it?
think, mate?
I think that's a pretty safe screen. You can't get a better test than that. It's fair to assume that if someone, you know, if they were trying to get in with that, they're not getting in.
It's a lot more than what's subjected in the Australian standard test.
Okay, now you said you had another test for
Yep,
us.
certainly have, mate. We're going to give the big one a shot.
The big one with the big boy. And we're going to up the ante a little bit more?
We will. Yeah, we're going to hit it a lot harder.
Let the professionals do their thing.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay.
Three, 2, 1, fire.
Wow. I tell you what, it made a lot of noise, but it really didn't do a lot of damage, did
No,
it?
certainly didn't.
Now, you're not getting through that. Okay, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Can we shoot at that?
Why not? Let's do it.
This is great. I
All
love
right,
my
mate,
job.
come
Come
on.
on.
3, 2, 1, fire.
To protect your family, go to clearshield.com.au.